Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel on this beautiful day outside. The sun is shining, and yeah, although the prices went down, I'm still very happy with the weather, of course. So that's the upside, I guess. Yeah, I've got a big video planned for you guys. We're going to talk through a lot of things. So let's just dive right into the content. So we've been looking at this horizontal channel for a while now, exactly from the 28th of December of last year. Yeah, we saw Bitcoin bouncing through resistance right here and support right here. And because we came down, we came from up going down in this continuation pattern, which normally would mean a breakdown to the downside. And then we were right here on the 24th of March, and we saw Bitcoin going up here, which yeah, was very exciting. We were looking at yeah, at new all-time highs anytime soon, especially if we could break the 48.2. Okay, but what went down was that we bounced off of this very long trend line, the green trend line, which is a 2-year trend line. Yeah, which I showed you a couple of times already, of course. So technically, we could call this a fake out to the upside, and then we failed to hold support right here. And that was very unfortunate. Then we were looking to find support right here, but we smashed right through that support right here on the daily, bounced off of this thin blue line, which is confluence right here. You can see it has multiple touch points right here and right there. So that's the bounce right now. So okay, what can we expect for the let me remove this line here, then I'll show you what the technicals say. So this is a horizontal triangle, which is a continuation pattern, and what you do is you take the upside, I don't like the color of this line, but let's do it again. You take it from the top to the bottom. Let me change the color into purple. Then you take this line and you pull it down from the point of breakout, and that would give us not so nice, but a 29k Bitcoin. So the technicals show us that when we break down, that the target would be around 29.2k. So that's not that good for the Bitcoin price, but eventually that would make us give us a cheap Bitcoin, so we can long from there. So, but we're not there yet. We're not there yet, and I'm going to explain to you why. This was a fake out right here, and we yet have to retest this. We yet have to retest. Let me zoom in a little bit and remove this line. We still have to retest the previous support turning into resistance. So we're almost there. We just broke into the green box, but we haven't really retested this line right here. So what I'm waiting for is for Bitcoin to retest that line and see if we can make this a fake out as well, and then we can bounce into this triangle, which still has some room left to grow. Or if we retest and see this line getting previous support acting as resistance, and that would be yeah, very bearish. That would mean possibly that we could go to the 29k. So that's what the technicals are showing us right now. Yeah, like I said yesterday in the Discord channel, my long positions on Bitcoin and Ethereum got stopped, which meant yeah, quite a big loss for us. But that's just how it goes. We said we had 19 consecutive trades which were great, and then we have one which isn't that good. But that's why we don't risk it all in our trades, and we take things slowly. Slowly wins the race. But I guess we're not the only ones who got stopped out or liquidated, because 430 million in liquidations were long traders seeing this downward momentum, getting their trades liquidated. So we're not alone, which may be a consolidation for you guys. It is for me, but I know it's just all part of the game that we do. And yeah, you can't win them all. So 19 wins in a row is very unlikely to happen again. But yeah, we're gonna try to get that win streak better and better, of course. So yeah, today we have to look if this previous support will turn into resistance, and if it does, then we'll probably see something like this, and then back to the 29K. If we do so, then I may consider shorting this one, because if we see the retest failing and then see some significant volume coming in the downside, which you can see here was relatively big volume here and here, especially compared to the green volume, which isn't that great, which was higher here. So I'm considering shorting this, but only if we see a pretty significant rejection of this level, and then we go down to the 29K. And also I will put up limit orders along the way. I still believe that this this box, which is a weekly pattern, as you can see right here, as you can see right here. So this is a weekly pattern we've been looking at for a while. This line that I just drew is yeah, a very big support, and I'll only I will maybe take profit. This is the first take profit region if you go short, if you short it, and then probably around 30K-ish would be a next profit taking thing. But yeah, this is like you can see right here, this is let me redraw this a little bit, is yeah, shown as very nice support and a bounce of there, and here it's also support and a bounce of there. So the likelihood of breaking this on the weekly, I don't know, but it could be a nice short position where we can look at right now and take profit around the 37 is yeah, could be a very nice short position. So yeah, longs were liquidated. Yeah, let's have a look at the total cryptocurrency market. Yeah, a lot of coins in the red, some in the deep red. VeChain, which was one of my favorites. ADA is in the dark red. So it wasn't that big of a day. BNB is one of my bigger holdings as well, which is it wasn't that a good day yesterday, and that's yeah, that's okay. So to make a long story short, let's have a look at the daily, because that's where this pattern we were looking at is. And yeah, we need a retest. I'll keep you updated in the Discord, of course. We will retest this level, and if it shows support of resistance, then we'll probably go down. If we break in it again and close on the daily, then I'll think it is possible that we trade in this pattern for a little bit further and see and react what happens after that. but I wouldn't sell your Bitcoin right now. If we see a retest and it fails to hold, then yeah, then we could be looking at shorting this and selling your positions and trying to buy back lower. But for my holding positions, I'm not doing that. For my trading positions, we could short this, and I'll keep you updated on the Discord, of course. Let me show you another chart, which is the exchange balance, which is how many Bitcoin exchanges have. And you can see that this is broken the line. The gray line is the price. The orange line is the liquidity of the Bitcoins on exchanges. And you can see, yeah, people are buying the dip, which is of course great. And you can see right here that after this peak right here, whales were selling their Bitcoin, price went down. Here they were accumulating a little bit and then it went up again, but you can see a very significant turning point right here, which was the 30K-ish Bitcoin price. Oh, 6K. Oh, whoa, oh, this is 2020. So, this was the COVID dump. Yeah, March of 2020. Yeah. So then you can see a large spike. People were scared, but then after that, immediately the real Bitcoin hodlers like me were buying the dip, and then you can see that exchanges are having less and less Bitcoins in their wallet. So that means people are buying the dip. Accumulation is big. Long-term holders are big. I saw on Twitter a nice tweet from, I don't know who it was exactly, but 67% of all Bitcoin holders with a wallet over a year old haven't moved their Bitcoin since. So that's quite a big percentage, and we haven't seen that in Bitcoin so far, which is an all-time high for hodlers. And I believe that will be more and more. We're still early in this Bitcoin market, and yeah, I hope you are not too scared right now. Like I said, we're gonna retest this level. We'll see if it acts as resistance or if we break through it again and go back. This pattern had a lot of breakouts as well, fake outs. So yeah, only time will tell. Like always, we react, and we don't try to fortune tell what the market will do. Let's go to the shorter time frame for now. Like you can see, we had a perfect bounce of this level right here, and we're now bouncing right here. We're getting rejected by the green box. This is the line we're retesting. So the RSI is very much cooled off. It must be oversold, but yeah, it's around 30. So that's not oversold already, but you can see the histogram is starting to move up a little bit, which will probably lead us to at least retest this line. So, well, that's a long video. Sorry about that, guys, but I think it's an important time right now, and I really want to like ease your mind and see that we're not worrying yet, but we can worry a little bit. But the only worrisome thing is that we're able to buy cheaper Bitcoin. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much for your attention. Please press the like button. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the channel, in the Discord, or on this YouTube video. I'll try to react, of course, to your questions. And yeah, have a nice day. Bye.